Okay, back to it. I got everything all ready. I gotta put some gas in there. I gotta get a battery on there. But other than that, I got electrical going. I got the water system hooked up. I got the exhaust hooked up here. It's not pretty yet. I haven't washed it. I haven't washed any of it. It's all dirty. Got the exhaust hooked up. We'll see how fucking loud that is. So, yep, there it is. And I got the steering. I got the cockpit mocked up, so just to prove steering works. I got a steering wheel made out of a broom handle. That should work for now, but I'm gonna get it all set up, and I'm just gonna crank it first a couple times without any gas. We'll hopefully get it started. It turn over at least. Turns over. Let's give it some gas. All right, a couple issues with the throttle, but she starts right up. It went full throttle. I think my last update was right when I got it running. So I've done a couple things. I got this, I don't know if I showed it or not, but I got this all framed in. It's temporary, right? And then, oh, you're embarrassed? Didn't want to show upside down? Okay, so I'm saw cutting the steering wheel adapter right now. So I had to take that all out, but I got these bilge pumps, and they're gonna put these back here. Sit like that, somehow. And then I got this hose. You guys know how a bilge pump works. I don't know why I'm making a video about this part of it, but I think it's because I'm excited. Got that. Each one has some hose to come out of the back of the boat, and I'm gonna 3D print, I don't know what you would call them, but like bilge nozzles. Got the seats. What else did I get today? I got this steering wheel. We're cutting an adapter for it. I got this steering wheel. It'll go like this. It's advertised like this. Well, like this. Oh, that might be better. Obviously, I don't know. If I can route that route, then yeah, I will. But I haven't decided if I'm going to put that right side up, upside down yet. Okay, quick update on the boat here. Got this bar. This is going to be the first piece of framing. It's all sanded, cleaned. I've been practicing for a couple days, so let's see if we can get this stuck together here. I'll update you on the first welds. All right, I got the first bar square tube welded in. It's all welded. These are my first welds. That one was bad enough to have to grind right away. But my first time welding, and I'm doing it on aluminum. And when I mean welding, this is my first time welding at all. I've never welded two things before, so welded anything together. I've done some brazing. So I'm getting this bar all set up. And this is how I'm doing it. I just kind of wanted to show what I was doing. I've been slowly bending it to match the contour of the boat there. Still a gap right there. I wanted to show you what I'm doing. See where the gap closes? Put my finger right there. Gap closes on the other side, happens to be at the end, so I would usually put my finger on the end or where the other end of the gap closes too. And here's how I will bend this a little more. I will put, this is the end where it closes, spread my wheels out so it's sitting on the lip of the wheel, and then I'll step on the middle and I'll put some weight on it and I'll bounce. This one has been stubborn. And that slowly closes these gaps. I'll have to do it a few more times. Alright, I got the frame in. Don't judge the welds too much. My buddy brought over a Harbor Freight welder and I bought the spool gun for it so we could do this. And that's one of the better ones, I think. I got the whole frame welded in. Next I'm going to do some stringers for support in. It's also going to hold down one of two. It's going to hold down the foam there. I just moved it. I'm going to put in a bar and bend it round for the window and the dash. And that was making it tough because I think this is off. So it's making it hard for me to be okay with where I put it. So what I'm going to do is take it all out. No wood in it anymore. Here's a quick rundown on what's going on. I got everything done to test it. The steering's in and it's done. Throttle's in. Here's the new throttle. Choke. Kill switch. Start. Battery's in and it's temporarily mounted. Just mounted around the seat, but it'll hold. Someone was riding it, it should be just fine. Had a carburetor problem yesterday, couldn't get it to run or stay running, so didn't get a rebuild kit, but I did take it apart, clean it, and put it back together there. New fuel filter, got everything all cleaned out. All I need to do now to test is put a couple bilge pumps in, wire those up. I'm probably going to wire them to a little battery that I have, a 12-volt RC car battery. I'm going to wire them to that just so I can plug it in quickly. And then trailer's good. I need to get new lights on the trailer. And I need to register the trailer. And now that the boat has a bigger than a 9.9 horse engine, I'll need to register the boat as well, which we'll see how challenging that'll be. This is all in there just for weight because it'll tip over backwards. Yeah, it's ready to go. Here's a little bit how I did the throttle. Throttle is just the jet ski throttle on its column. I just, instead of mounting to a bar like a handlebar or the steering wheel, I mounted it to the column and extended it so it has this, so you can reach it. It's just temporary. We'll make it better, and it also turns with the wheel. This is all the jet ski linkage. I had to extend it. Just made that coupler, and it won't focus, but it just extends it with the same threaded rod. This is temporarily in here, clamped in, but there's the choke again. The seats are in. Let me start it up for you and run it for a minute. Choke. think my problem is this fuel on off reserve. No fuel in the filter, so I'm gonna go ahead and bypass this and we'll see if that works. I got fuel in here. The issue is definitely in this on off switch. Either I hooked it up wrong or it's messed up. Either way, let's get it going. I'll show you. One second. Still having some technical issues. That fell off. Okay, now the idle isn't lower than low. I have to make sure that stays there. That's great. Runs good. Ready to go out on the lake tomorrow. Just gonna do some testing tomorrow. Gotta get the bilge pump set up tonight. After work, I will show you guys how it does.